The final draw is the South Central, so once again Steve will draw the home clubs. Penrhycaiba Cons will play Clwb Cymric. Merthyr Saints will play Cogan Coronation. AFC Perth Celyn will play Llantwit Vardra. AFC Butetown will play Blaen Rhondda. Cardiff Hibernian will play Treharris Athletic Western. Graig will play Cwm Welfare. Sully Sports will play Treforest. Bridgend Street will play Cardiff Corinthians. Canton Liberals will play Pontypridd Town. Cumbach Royal Stars will play Ely Rangers. Brecon Corries will play Penrhyffa. And the last home club is Carn Town, and they will play Pontyclean. And that concludes the Welsh Cup qualifying round 1 draw. My thanks to Steve and Ian for their help this afternoon. Of course, our great thanks to JD, the new sponsors of the FAW Welsh Cup.